Lesson 1: Historical background and the evolution of artificial intelligence. When we hear the term artificial intelligence (AI), we often think of futuristic technologies or science fiction films. However, the roots of AI emerged many years ago, even before the term itself was coined. The foundation of AI were laid in the 1940s and 1950s, an era in which the first computers were developed, machines capable of performing only simple calculations. In 1950, British scientist Alan Turing proposed what would later become one of the field's most significant milestones, the Turing Test. This test posed the fundamental question: can a computer think? According to Turing, if a human conversing with a computer cannot tell that it is a machine, the computer has passed the test and is considered to possess artificial intelligence. In 1956, the first conference dedicated to AI was held at Dartmouth College in the United States, where the term artificial intelligence was coined. The participants, including John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky, predicted that within a few years, computers as intelligent as humans would be developed. Despite the initial excitement, it soon became clear that the task was far more difficult than anticipated, and progress was slow. In the 1970s and 1980s, the field experienced a significant breakthrough with the emergence of expert systems, computer programs capable of making decisions and solving well-defined problems. The first expert system, Dendral, was developed in the 1960s, but the widespread adoption of such systems only took off a decade later as computers became more powerful and affordable. During the 1980s and 1990s, a new approach gained traction: artificial neural networks. Inspired by the structure of the human brain, researchers attempt to simulate networks of neurons that could learn from example and identify patterns. This approach faced challenges in its early years due to computational and technological limitations, and was therefore put on hold for a while. The major revolution in AI occurred in the past 2 decades with the rise of deep learning. This breakthrough was enabled by a combination of powerful processing capabilities, the availability of massive amount of data, big data, and the development of advanced computational methods. As a result, we have witnessed dramatic success in the recent years: facial recognition, autonomous vehicles, speech recognition systems such as Siri and Alexa, and of course, ChatGPT. Today, AI is no longer a futuristic vision. It is an integral part of our daily lives. It already affects nearly every domain: healthcare, industry, finance, defense, and even culture and the art. In summary, artificial intelligence has come a very long way since Alan Turing's early ideas. The progress made in recent years has been immense, but it is important to remember that we are still at the beginning. In the upcoming lessons, we will learn to better understanding how AI impacts us, what opportunities it creates, and how we can adapt to this new era.